Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to buy Robux on Codashop even with load. So, the way you go about this, you first come to Codashop and you can usually find a Roblox right here and click on a Roblox digital gift card, or of course you can search for it. Now, after you click on it, you get redirected to this page where you choose the voucher, okay, for Roblox, whatever plan you want. After that, to get the load option, you come here, select payment, and depending on the country you are located in, for example, if you're in the Philippines, you get more options, okay, more payment options for your load. And then just enter your zip code, enter your email address, and click on buy now, and you continue with the payment process, okay, with your load. Really that easy. Found it helpful. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.